The earth was once a cool green symphony, the rustling of forest leaves, the singing of flowing water, the clear blue sky, like a mirror reflecting. But gradually suffocated by human hands, the owners and perpetrators who built tall factories from those smokestacks, rows of gray smoke obliterate the sky, the once crystal clear river, now muddy with waste, the vast forest cut down, chopped down without pity, leaving empty spaces. That destruction unfolds silently but persistently. Plastic bags discarded, plastic bottles on the beach, a forest burned down, all seem insignificant. They become a burden weighing down on earth. Every careless act leaves a Nature has responded with fierce storms, prolonged droughts, massive floods as a warning that Earth's symphony cannot endure forever. But the scariest thing is people's indifference to what they have caused. Amidst the gloomy picture, there is still a glimmer of hope. We must awaken each person. Each person must know when to stop, know how to cherish every bit of greenery left behind. The earth can be reborn, the environment doesn't demand we do something big, just small actions.